Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw lamp. So let's start. First, draw a line like this. Good job. Now draw a line in an angle. Well done. Now draw another line on other side also. Just draw like me and make both the line equal. Good job. Now let's draw some curved line and connect it like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Just draw some curvy line and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Now let's draw another border. Do the same thing. Just make some curved line and draw its parallel. Well done. It's looking very beautiful. Now draw the lamp stand. Draw a straight line like this. Now draw another line, just its parallel. Make both lines equal. Now connect the line. Well done. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw the lamp base. Draw a small line, like this. Now draw on the other side also. Lastly, connect the line, and it's done. Good job! We almost complete the drawing. Now let's make a cute and happy smile. First, draw a big circle, then slowly fill the color. Also draw the eyelashes. Good job! Now draw the other eye also. Do the same thing. First draw a big circle, then carefully fill the color. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Don't forget to draw the eyelashes. Just 2 is enough. Lastly, draw a cute smile, and it's done. It's looking very great. Let's draw a heart shape in the lamp. Draw a small heart shape, like this. Good job! We complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, use pink color and color the lamp. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Jet color left and right, left and right, and it's done. Make sure not to color the eyes. Color the outline of eye, then you will not make any mistake. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, look how beautiful it's looking. Now let's color the border. Use reddish pink color and color the border. You can also use different colors if you want. Use diff red color and make your own creation. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use blue color and color the lamp stand. Color slowly and color only inside. Now color the base. Color the side and don't color the heart shape. Now use red color and color the heart shape. The heart is very small, so color very slowly. Well done, now use white color and make the drawing more shiny. First draw a big circle in the eye. Now draw a small circle also. Good job, now draw a circle on the other eye also. Draw a big circle, then draw a small circle, and it's done. Now draw a line on the side, like this. Good job, now draw some line on top of the lamp. Draw 3 lines and make each line a little smaller. Well done, now draw some small curved line on border, like this. Good job, lastly draw a line on the lamp base. Well done, look, we complete the drawing. The lamp is looking very beautiful. Let's turn on the lamp. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.